Third Fridays aren't just another day. Behind the scenes, trillions of dollars in assets will move behind the scenes. Here are 3 ways this happens without you really ever noticing. A lot of institutional investors will rebalance their portfolios when their options contracts expire. So if you're not familiar with how options work, it's probably another video that we'll do at some point. But basically, it is a right to either buy or sell a security at a given time at a given price. So options work on a calendar where on the 3rd Friday of every month, all these options will come due. As contracts expire, this can create swings in the market as option contracts are either in the money or they're out of the money. Now, it's a lot going on behind the scenes, but what you really need to understand is market volatility can pick up around these different events. What can happen is certain prices and positions for the market become what's called pinned. You may have heard the term gamma before. So if there's a lot of positive gamma around a certain price for the market, you may not see a lot of movement until after those options expire on that 3rd Friday for all of that to release. Shortly after options expiration, you can see the market kind of unpinned, where it will move more freely to discover either a higher price or a lower price, depending on what's going on in the market. Many times you'll see trading volumes really peak on these 3rd Fridays during options expiration, particularly in the last hour of trade. You can see violent swings in the market during those last minutes of the trading day. Just to add some color to this, in 2024, if you take a look at what markets did from a volume perspective, volumes were 20 to 40% higher than other days of the year. So popular tech stocks like Apple, Amazon, Nvidia often experience wide swings of market value near options expiration. Now, it could be slightly before, slightly after, but a plus or minus 3% move is not out of the ordinary. Now, end of quarter and end of year expirations are often the biggest. So these are when institutional investors will go in and rebalance portfolios in massive positions, many times amounting to trillions of dollars in value. December of 2024 saw $6.5 trillion of options contract expire and volatility spiking 15 to 20% above average. To learn how markets really work and how it could impact your portfolio and perhaps when you would want to time rebalancing, feel free to give me a follow.